It's Friday night. Pajamas, coffee, car work. Why not?
What are you doing?
We spend our Friday nights.
So what are you doing right now?
Taking a sip of this raging hot coffee, but I am polyurethaning the back sides, the underside of our wood, which is cedar, and this is the rough side. This is what's going to be going down, and to protect it, we're putting a coat of polyurethane on it so that if we happen to drive in the rain, then we will have some protection on this wood if it gets down into a crack that isn't waterproof.
Alright, so it's still wet, it's drying. Gonna do the back sides first. That way any water that gets between it will protect the wood. See, they're numbered too, so you know 1, 2, 3, 4, and their number as they go back in. Smart. So this is what we're doing on Friday night. We're prepping Elsie for this installation tomorrow, and that's where we're gonna end up finishing with cutting pieces that will fit in here with these angles. That should be challenging. Coming down along the tire wheel, we have to cut in right here, cut in and out around this fuel neck, and then make a curve down here. See this curve? Got to make a nice even curve. So that's going to be a good challenge tomorrow. That's our last pieces. But this is the polyurethaning process right now.